because if you're a student, I don't want you to have that option. Let me get my whiteboard back up. Oh, wait, there's a remote control. Okay, now you write.
Oh. There.
Okay, and then how did I give you? How many erase? Hang on a second.
Are we playing tic-tac-toe right now?
Yeah. Oh. Whoops. I forgot how that game worked.